So here is the prompt. Now I'm going to actually copy this prompt and I'm going to show you how you can actually create a portfolio website within 60 seconds by using any AI. Here you can see I'm using ChatGPT here. We have a bunch of different GPT available for free. We have Google Gemini, we have GitHub Copilot, we have Tab9. So a bunch of different AI GPT available. So you may actually go with any of them. So here you can see currently I'm in ChatGPT and I'm going to paste the prompt here. So you need a good prompt to generate a good website. So now I hit enter, or maybe you can actually click this arrow button. So here you go. Successfully done. Now we'll actually just click here copy code and we'll go to the, you can actually open any code editor, or maybe you can actually click here new and then text document. And after that you just have to actually rename the document as, let's say I will say index.html and I will select yes. So we have here this file. Now you'll actually edit it with the notepad and here I'm going to paste it. Save it. Now let's open this. Here you go. You can see there is a nice portfolio website, right? And this is how actually you can work with GPT. That's it, guys. Here you can see these are also working perfectly. If I click here, so through ChatGPT you can actually create a really nice website, portfolio website for you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.